Hello, welcome to Yemi's Kitchen, and this is your cook, your hostess, Yemi's. Today I'm going to be making one of my favorite snacks growing up, and my schooling experience in the north is called kuli kuli. Kuli kuli is another Nigerian snack. It's made with peanut. It's kind of peanut brittle, except for the sugar. There's not that much in it in this time. So what you'll be needing for the original way they do kuli kuli is that you need your peanuts. In the peanuts, you need to grind the peanuts into paste, then use optional. I'm using cayenne pepper, paprika, which is the big bell pepper, sugar, brown sugar, cinnamon, and some pepper soup spice. That's optional. All you need for this one is actually your pepper and your salt without sugar if you don't want it. So, because I'm in diaspora and I'm doing this from the United States, I don't need to go through that. I'm going to be using my peanut butter, okay? And I'm going to be using my peanut butter powder. Sometimes when you mix this and you take all the oil out, it takes a while for it to form for you. So I'm going to be using my peanut powder to harden it, to make it kuli kuli. So now let's go. Kuli kuli setup. I'm setting up my space for kuli kuli setup today in Yemi's Kitchen. Now kuli kuli kai mana kuli kuli haba. And we chop today. Abokena na me. I dey make my kuli kuli from my home. Kuli kuli and gari. That's what I'm eating for today. So I've already introduced to you earlier on what I'm going to use for my kuli kuli, but I just, I'm recording it because I put all the stuff in another setting, but still the same thing. I'm still using my peanut butter, my peanut powder, and the condiments which I've introduced to you above. So now I'm going to take 3 to 4 large teaspoons. I think I'm going to finish this container. It's almost done. Of peanut butter. Okay, you want a large container, and that's what you want to do. I think this is 3. I have a little bit there. So now I'm going to add my cayenne pepper, my paprika. I'm always saying cayenne instead of paprika. My paprika pepper. It gives a nutty taste. People normally we use wet ingredient. I don't want to use wet ingredient. They will blend the fresh pepper, fresh onion. I don't want to do that because that means more water, more work for me. Don't forget, Yemi's Kitchen, we're here to make things easy, we have the hack for cooking sometimes, and to make it short and choose so that you can replace it. I'm cooking from abroad, so all these things sometimes we don't have it, but I'm doing this now. I'm going to put my sugar. This is my brown sugar in it. I'm folding this in it. You want to mix it thoroughly. You want to fold all the ingredients in the peanut butter. So like I say, Yemi's Kitchen, we use all American ingredients to cook African dishes, and especially when you don't find what you need. But for this purpose, I'm doing it because I don't want liquid. So I like pepper. So I'm putting a teaspoon of cayenne pepper and half a teaspoon of Cameroonian pepper, just because I like it hot. You don't need to put pepper if you don't want to. Now, this is my this is my pepper soup spice. I like to put it because it's just full of spice, different spice, just to give it a nutty taste, and that's what my husband likes. And now I'm putting my little bit of salt. I have a teaspoon of salt, which I have to fold in. So I decided not to put the nutmeg in since I'm using the pepper soup spice. I'm going to add the remaining of the peanut butter. Since it's almost done, I might as well finish this container. So let's say roughly I'm putting 4 spoons of peanut butter for this kuli kuli to be made. So I finished the peanut butter, and this container is done, and I can discard it. So the next step is where you need your elbow grease. You are supposed to roll to mix and mix and mix and mix this peanut butter combination till you can feel, you can see the oil coming out. Since we are doing the fast way, you know, behind the camera, I forgot to put my peanut butter powder. I put 2 spoons of peanut butter powder to thicken this. So I decanter my peanut butter combination on my paper towel on a trail, trying to get the oil out. So you can see me trying to do a burrito style, pressing the oil out gently, but it's not coming out. So I think I have to use another method. So it's spilling out, my burrito is spilling out, so I have to put it back and put in another paper towel and get a new kitchen towel to use to strain this oil from this peanut combination, kuli kuli paste. So once this is done, I decided to divide this into two. This part is the one I'll be frying, and the other part is the one I put in the microwave. So let's go. So here in my pot, my oil is hot. So I'm putting my kuli kuli balls inside the oil, and in the foil pan, I'm going to put this in the oven. For this, we bake at 350 to 400 for like 30 minutes because I'm not doing a lot. I'm doing like 10. So I have completed this kuli kuli. I'm sorry, while I was recording it, I lost the clip for where I was taking the kuli kuli out of the oil, but this is my kuli kuli, baked and fried. This how it looks like. Thank you for watching. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for being among the kind of team Yemi's Kitchen. We really love you. Please don't forget to follow me on my social medias. Like, subscribe, follow, and interact. Love you. Yemi from Yemi's Kitchen. Choose to be happy. I really hope you enjoy watching me making this kuli kuli. It takes a long time for me to do this. And if you do, try it and tag me on my social media. Love you, Chef Yemi. Mwah.